And new this morning, a local doctor is now weighing in on the reason behind several days of record-breaking COVID-19 deaths in the state. Larissa Scott is breaking down the latest numbers.
For 4 days in a row last week, the state broke its daily COVID-19 fatality rate, totaling to more than 1,200 new deaths in the past week. Local doctors say the numbers started to go up in early July when more cases began to show up in the hospitals. And while the state has been shattering records lately, experts don't expect the case fatality rate to look like it did in New York City because local doctors have had much more time to medically prepare for a surge. Dr. Jason Wilson, who works at the ER at Tampa General Hospital, says they've done a really good job at keeping the fatalities relatively low. Wilson says doctors expected to see a rise in the death rate because you're typically always going to see an increase in fatalities after you see a big rise in COVID-19 cases and hospital stays. But doctors say they're not letting their guards down anytime soon.
What we worry about is that if you hit that surge mark where you really just can't staff the ICUs or the ventilators or the ECMO devices, that's when you start to see the case fatality really jump.